Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, we are fourth semester student in diploma. Hi, I am Snehal with my two friends Sanya and Pranav. We are presenting rain detector alarm. Also our guide she supporting are to complete the micro project and she is Professor Sonali Navle ma'am. Thank you ma'am for the guidance. So let's start our project. First we will see index for guidance. Which topic we discuss in this project? Let's see. First, introduction. In this topic, we will see some information about rain detector. Next, specification, components, circuit diagram, working, need of rain detector, advantages, disadvantages, and applications. Do you know about rain detector? No, don't worry, I'll explain. So, rain detector is a one kind of switching device which is used to detect for the rainfall. Rain alarm project is a simple but very useful project that detects rain and automatically triggers an alarm or buzzer. Water is a basic need in everyone's life. Saving water and proper uses of water is very important. Here is an easy and important project which will give the alarm when there is rain so that we can make some action for rainwater harvesting and also save the rainwater for using it later. Rainwater detector will detect the rain and makes an alert. So next we will see some specification of rain detector. We use these components in circuit: 330 ohm resistor, 0.01 millifarad capacitor, BC548 NPN transistor, BC558 PNP transistor, LED, battery and buzzer. So as you can see, this is the basic circuit for the rain alarm that we will simulate using Proteus software. So the simulation we make slightly changes by changing the props into normal switch. This is because we cannot find the props in the software, but the electrically of the props is similar to the normal switch because as you can see the props is act like a switch to the socket. Next we will add a LED. LED indicator that connected series with the speaker. Over here there to indicate the buzzer is on and if the circuit is fully connected. The speaker will produce sound main ideal for this Olympus. When rain drops or water touch, the props will complete the sector and cause the buzzer produce the sound. We connect resistor 330 kilo ohm in prop, 10 kilo ohm resistor and 0.01 millifarad capacitor connect to each other. BC548 it's a NPN type transistor and BC558 it's a PNP type transistor. Connect 3 volt battery source. It's a DC power supply. It's a working this circuit. Water is a conductor of electricity. When water is in contact with the props, then there is a flow of current toward the base of NPN transistor, which conducts with the conduction of NPN transistor, electrons passage to Q2, which is a PNP transistor. PNP transistor also conduct and current flow through the speaker. In a speaker, there is inductive coil which causes motion in one direction and after that produce induced current which is opposite direction to the flow of current. This induced current in the form of pulse flows through a capacitor, resistance and make first transistor BC548 off for an interval and after that it relaxes to previous state. This process repeat again and again till prop is in a contact with water and an oscillation is created in this circuit. Speaker diaphragm vibrates and give a tone. Frequency of the circuit depends on the value of coil, impedance, capacitor and resistance value. Next we are going to simulate the circuit by using Proteus software. So we open the Proteus software and click new project. So we name it the rain alarm. So click next option and select design templates and layout and then click OK. So we are going to find the components that we use for this circuit. We gonna find resistor. We select a resistor. Next is a capacitor. We use a active capacitor. Okay. For the next is transistor and the code is VC548 NPN type transistor. Okay, next is another transistor which is BC558 PNP Vision. Next we choose LED. Okay, we find a LED. It's an active LED. Next we have battery. DC voltage source we apply. Next, so we going to choose buzzer. And as you can see, we change that probe into a normal switch. Okay, that's all for the components that we're going to use for this circuit. So we're going to assemble all the components. We arrange the components according to the basic circuit. And we see already the circuit diagram in previous slide. So we arrange the components. It's a LED indicator that connected series with the speaker. Speaker over there to indicate the buzzer is on, and if the circuit is fully connected, the speaker will produce sound. Main ideal for this Olympus, when raindrop over water touch the probe, will complete the sector and cause the buzzer produce the sound. We connected a resistor. Resistor is opposes the flow of current, and BC548, it's a BC548 is a NPN type transistor. And then switch is connected. We cannot find the probe in the software, but the electricity of the probe is similar to the normal switch. Then we can use normal switch. Then again its resistor is used. So we can start it to connect all the components using just drag the cursor into the components. So we connect the all components. Transistor 2 is connected, battery. Transistor 1 emitter side is connected, LED. LED and buzzer is connected series. Capacitor and resistor are connected with transistor 2. So next we say think for the resistor which is 330 kilo ohm, and then click OK. Next for the battery we use 12 volt battery source, and for the capacitor we set to 0.01 millifarad. Click OK. Next we going to simulate. So as you can see the LED is on when it's closed, and the LED will off when switch is open. When the LED is on, so obviously the buzzer is on. Again we can see switch is closed, then LED is on, and also buzzer is on. Let's see why we need rain detector. This circuit enables you to manage your outside setting when it rains. You can close your window or get ready for rainwater harvesting after hearing the alarm. With some small modification, the circuit can also be used as water level indicator, agriculture field, irrigation system, etc. The biggest advantages of this circuit is that it's simple, reliable, and consumes less power. Advantages: it helps in saving money. It extends life of rain sensor based systems such as car, vapor, irrigation system by running them only when it is necessary. Rain sensor help save water. Operating principle is very easy. It consumes less power for operation. Installation of rain sensor based system are very much simple. Individual rain sensor cost very less. Disadvantages: the rain sensor based system function when water falls on the sensor directly. The cost of overall system increases as additional components are needed along with rain sensor. In order to avoid false detection of rain, it requires rain sensor to take decision after a few minutes. Let's see applications. Can be used in agriculture fields to detect rain and stop irrigation immediately. Home automation applications such as closing the window and doors when running outside. In automobiles, it can be used to detect rain and start the vapor automatically. Can be used to make rain alarm project. Thus, this is all about the rain detector. From the above information, finally we can conclude that this detector is used to detect the rain and generate buzzer sound to take necessary action in further. Thank you all to watching our micro project presentation.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.